Hey, let's see how to make no-name Instagram highlights. So from your Instagram, go to your profile. So now whenever you try to upload a highlight on Instagram, you may notice that you must enter a name. If you don't add a name, Instagram will automatically show the highlight name. But if you want to save your highlights without any name, don't worry, just follow these steps. So first you have to open up any browser on your phone like Safari. From here, search for empty highlight. You will see a lot of websites. You can open any of them, and I will just open the first one. Now tap on copy to clipboard, and then you don't need to do anything else here. Just go back to your Instagram and next go to highlight you already uploaded. Tap on more, then select edit highlight. Here you will see the name option. Just tap and hold the name and delete it completely. Now tap on paste and you won't see anything in the name field. Just hit on done and go back. Now you can see your highlight is uploaded with no name at all. It looks much cleaner and nicer than before. You can repeat the same steps for all of your highlights if you don't want any names. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.